tayo na. Kulitan na ako.
Walang reply.
Bata? Uy.
Ito, galing mo ako sa gid mo. Para mabanga.
Ang lakas mag-dito. Tangin na niyo.
Sabi ko, lakasan yung boses nyo, huwag kayong sumigaw.
Teka lang, magdadasal tayo.
One dark afternoon, like a shadow, I flew to the rain and fell sick with lament. To this house of incest, for rent me undressed, blasphemies against Venus for rent.
Though her sister removed her wet body, approved the parade of my heavenly quest. Yet all tongues are not true, some are false or rescue, like an uncivil serpents at best.
And hot virgin cows, hook mouth like Saint Peter Pan. Ikaw naman.
Die, monster! You don't belong in this world!
Perhaps the same.
But in those that still, my deep interest grew. The rise of the true pentagram!
I've been waiting for you. Count Dracula rises but once every century. My role is over. If I can resurrect them, the battle will last for eternity.
Kuya, saan po dito yung airport?
Magbibitsyo kami. Holy Mother and Father, Sister and Brothers.
Dala mo ba yung bola natin?
Ha?
Nakalimutan mo yun, ha?
Hindi, nandito may bagahe.
Ando na ba sa
The scent of your smell. You are Rolly and... I don't know you.
Champorado and...
I don't know you.
Die young, live forever!
I'm Mojerk. Go back whence you came.
I love myself!
I love myself. Really, I really love myself.
Babalik ako, kukunin ko lang yung bola ko.